Is your Cricut Maker 4 acting up? Maybe it's freezing, not connecting properly, or just not working the way it should? When tech gets glitchy, a good reset usually does the trick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Cricut Maker 4 and get it back running smoothly. And if you need an extra help along the way, just give us a call on the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Alright, let's get your machine reset. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, make sure your Cricut Maker 4 is powered on. Now, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the machine shuts off completely. Once it's off, wait for 10 to 15 seconds. This gives your machine a moment to fully reset. After waiting, press the power button again to turn your Cricut Maker 4 back on. If you're finding this helpful, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our tutorial. Your machine should now boot up like normal. Check to see if the issue you were having is resolved. If the problem is still there, try doing a full power cycle. Unplug the power cable from the back of the machine, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Finally, your Cricut Maker 4 has been successfully reset and is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.